take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. I drag you out your mind. And there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow.
मस्त लग रहा है अभी। ओ भाई हितेश, हितेश
सेंटर चलो, सेंटर चले।
हाँ
सेंटर
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू सो मच। So guys, the footage you saw, what happened was there were 4 to 5 people who came from Sangli to visit the Gateway of India. So they approached us to click few pictures with our cycles. So we allowed them, and after they were done with the photo shoot, the last person you just saw in the video, he offered me his sanitizer, and I was amazed by that gesture, you know. So I'm adding this scene because he was so much aware of the situation and he actually thought about my safety. So we all should, you know, learn something from this and help each other in different ways.